How to cut copper pipe with copper tubing cutters. There's a release. There's a release right here that brings up the wheel. And then you can just push it down your material and watch. And you can crank down. Okay. Let me show you how to do it. First one, to give this one a new end. Okay, I kind of did that fast. So put it on. Right now I'm just going to cut a couple inches off just because this is deformed. So bring the wheel to your mark, to the material, and start cranking. Okay. So it's really loose right now. It's starting to grab. It's starting to grab a little bit. Now watch. Over, under, over, under, and then once that becomes easy, give it another crank. Go. Once it becomes easy, give it another crank. And just keep going like that. Give it another crank. It's all easy. Give it another crank. Okay. Then you won't have any kind of ridge right here that you really have to worry about too much. It'll sand off just fine. And there's a little ridge in there that you're going to take your pencil reamer and clean out. Okay. That's smooth. So let me show you what not to do with these. I'm going to reset the tool. I'm going to bring the wheel all the way back. Open the tool up. What you don't want to do is go cranking super hard and it's really tough and you're trying to just crank as fast as you can. It leaves a super ridge. It deformed. I can feel that the pipe is a little bit deformed. And that's super stressful. And you're going to go through your wheels really fast. Okay? So, make your mark. What do we want? 16.5?
Yeah.
Okay. 16.5. There it is. Grab your tool, reset it, bring your wheel back. Hold it like that. Bring your wheel, line it up, bring your wheel right where you want to make your cut. Crank it till it catches. Now it caught. Okay. Now under, over, a little adjustment. Under, over, little crank. Under, over, little crank. And you can't really see it real well, but on my pole to go under, naturally I kind of grab on that wheel and it cranks a little bit as I'm doing that. So you don't even see me cranking it. Some reamer action. This is that one that I cranked really hard on, so this ridge is just tremendous. All right, huh? Still a pretty good ridge in there, just naturally, but okay. Done.